afande egigyemu ono mpabudde bulungi byako sikategeera.
On count two, convict will serve an imprisonment term of 3 years. In default of payment of the 30 million, each person will serve an imprisonment term of 3 years. The fines are cumulative. They will all be adjourned to the 19th day of August 2024. Mention again as you want to come on 19th of August? Council? No. Thank you. Which means each man pays a fine of 40 million Uganda shillings. And that makes a total of 280 million Uganda shillings for all the 7 convicts. Imprisonment terms run concurrently, and that means they serve the longest term, which is a term of 3 years imprisonment. 3 years and 1 year, they move together for your benefit to make them understand. That's what it means concurring. In case of conspiracy to commit a felony, each of the convicts is sentenced to a fine of 10 million Uganda shillings only. In default of which, each convict will serve an imprisonment term of 1 year. disturbing the wetland system. Each of the convicts is sentenced to a fine. Each of the convicts, each man, yes, is sentenced to a fine of 30 million Uganda shillings only. Thereby not wasting court's time and other resources. They will not be sentenced to the maximum penalties that the law provides. However, due to the dire need to protect wetlands in this country today, they deserve sentences on each of the counts that will help them reform. Deter other offenders. Stop other offenders who are not yet involved. And therefore protect the environment. With all those reasons, the convicts are sentenced as in 5 years or both the fine and imprisonment term. The convicts being first-time offenders who are employed by Double Q Company Limited to drill the wetland system